Everyone, this is Mitch from the SportsChatPlace.com. Saturday, October 31st, 2009. Happy Halloween, everyone. We're going to do a couple quick video picks today. Couple write-ups that we didn't get to. So, it's tough. We're trying to cover every single game. And when you have a full slate like we have, going on right now, really tough to get everything. So we're going to sneak in these last few doing video picks. And this one, Iowa Hawkeyes taking on the Indiana Hoosiers. Indiana having kind of a little bounce back year. Really a pretty decent squad this year. Not quite as awful as the Indiana teams that we've seen, in the past. Going up against, though, the number 1 team in the Big Ten, the number 4 team in the country, the Iowa Hawkeyes. The computers absolutely love this team. All the computers have Iowa ranked as the number 1 team in the country. The polls have them a lot lower, and that's why in the BCS they're on the outside looking in. But I think if they keep winning, everything usually seems to take care of itself. So I expect Iowa to get the win in this game. They're laying 17.5 points, but I don't think they cover the spread. We're going to take Indiana in this one. Of course, there's always nothing personal, but we think that Iowa definitely the better team. But I don't know about beating Indiana by 17.5. I think the spread's gotten a little ahead of itself in this one. So in any event, this is Mitch from SportsChatPlace.com. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.